Bonjour, if you want to know how to dress classy and quite luxury over 50 without looking old, this video is for you. Quite luxury is about embracing a more understated elegance and simplicity where quality, craftsmanship and sustainability take center stage. But dressing quite luxury over 50 is a little bit different than dressing quite luxury in your 20s. As you grow older, your approach to fashion changes a lot. In this video, I will show you how to dress quite luxury over 50, how to dress classy, elegant without looking older or outdated. And the quite luxury trend might be a way to refresh your wardrobe. The first thing to know how to dress quite luxury over 50 is to find a modern minimalism. Quite luxury over 50 exudes an effortless style that combines sophistication with minimalism, creating an allure that is both timeless but also contemporary. Quite luxury embodies the idea that the beauty lies in simplicity. It embraces the belief that sophistication can be achieved through minimalist elements and understated details. Minimalist fashion is not just about wearing simple clothing, it is also a lifestyle that embraces the philosophy of less is more. If you're over 50 and want to dress quite luxury, the minimalist approach is also a way to look younger and not outdated. Go for basic pieces designed to be effortlessly mixed and matched together, allowing for endless outfit possibilities. With a few key essentials such as a well-tailored blazer, a classic white shirt, a pair of tailored trousers, you can create a multitude of chic and sophisticated looks that look contemporary, minimalist, and modern. The classic timeless pieces does always have a modern twist, and that's the key of quite luxury over 50. Another secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is to embrace silhouettes with texture and shape. Quite luxury over 50 is not boring. Of course, it is timeless, classic and sophisticated, but it's never boring. Why is that? Because in the quite luxury style over 50, you always mix different texture and shape to create visual interest. Don't forget that a simple monochromatic outfit over 50 can look very matchy and a little bit outdated. Look for ways to create visual interest in your outfit to break, the monochromatic effect. Mix texture in nightwear through cables, tweeds or buckles. Ruching and draping add dimension to woven tops and dresses, while also hiding your lumps and bumps. Experiment with finishes and fabrics. For example, pair a satiny shirt with a cashmere vest and pinstriped trouser or sport or a cable sweater. Of course, quite luxury might be all about clean classics, but don't confuse this style with something that is plain and boring. This is a fashion style of nuance and unique twist. Different shapes, different texture, different balance will break the classicism of the quite luxury style, and it's very important over 50 to always bring something interesting in your outfit. The third secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is to go for comfortable but flattering silhouettes. In the quite luxury style, forget the tight jean, for example, tight trouser, forget legging. Everything is about wide and comfortable silhouette with wide trousers, for example, palazzo trouser, large pants. Everything looks super comfortable, of course, but it is always flattering. There is nothing boxy or frumpy. And if it is oversized on purpose, for example, with a wide top or a large trouser, everything is flattering for your silhouette. The goal with a quite luxury is not to hide your silhouette, but to make it a little bit more alluring and more flattering. When dressing quite luxury, choose pieces that are loose but not overwhelmed or too boxy. Go for slim-fitting silhouette, stripe pants, or even palazzo pants, but cinch at the waist. Palazzo trousers will emphasize and elongate your silhouette and keep you very comfortable. Don't forget to emphasize and define your waist, even if you are overweight. The fourth secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is the clean palette of color. Quite luxury style does not mean the depth of colors, especially over 50. Don't forget that you can always bring some colors in the quite luxury style. This is the big cliche and the big mistake people are thinking about quite luxury. On the contrary, a clean, classic palette of color is the core of the quite luxury style, such as navy, gray, camel, chocolate, olive green, baby pink, ivory, or even a beautiful bright white. The fifth secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is to go for expensive but stylish fabrics. With a quite luxury style, forget the outdated and cheap fabric. These materials not only enhance the overall appearance of the minimalist garments, but also ensure comfort and sustainability. By choosing high-quality fabrics and well-constructed designs over 50 always help you to look less frumpy and of course less cheap. So you can look at the same time sophisticated, confident, well dressed, but never outdated. When using expensive fabrics such as silk or cashmere, don't forget always to go for the minimalist approach that looks more modern. The sixth secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is to go for classic but modern pattern. Forget the floral grandma pattern or too many bold patterns that make you look outdated. Quite luxury is all about classic but modern patterns such as polka dots and of course the stripes. Quite luxury is the art of subtle pattern, minimalist such as stripes. But forget the outdated, messy, loud pattern. Forget the loud logo, the flashy pattern, extravagant or something too original. You can of course add a pop of print silk scarf to a simple neutral outfit. The seventh secret of quite luxury over 50 is to look wealthy of course, but not outdated. The quite luxury style is all about looking expensive and classy, and again, you can look expensive no matter your budget. Remember that money does not buy class, but the only downside by looking, rich or expensive over 50 is really to look super outdated or looking like a cliche. So the secret of looking expensive over 50 without looking outdated or without looking to this cliche of the old grandma is to avoid, the full designer logo outfit. Avoid to wear too many expensive designer things in your whole ensemble. Avoid the big logo. Break the classicism of the expensive chic look by wearing or by mixing low and high designer. You can always wear something that is more casual, less expensive, and you can learn from the Parisian style over 50. They always break the classicism of a rich outfit by wearing a statement piece that is more casual and less expensive. The eighth secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is to look classic, yes, but not boring. If I have to define quite luxury in just a few words, it will be classic and tailored. Think about blazers, trousers, button-down shirt, this classic ensemble that make this look timeless and ageless. The pieces of a quite luxury look should always feel timeless but not boring, and this is probably the big cliche from the quite luxury trend. In the quite luxury ensemble, there is always a subtle details or in the know that makes the elements more interesting and that also elevate any ensemble beyond basic. This element can be something more edgy, more modern, more trendy, but never too formal. There is always a casual or relaxed feel element that always break the classicism or the formality of a quite luxury ensemble. And the ninth secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is to accessorize the quite luxury style over 50. How to accessorize the quite luxury trend over 50? I will say there is just one word. It will be minimalist and edgy. Don't forget that too much accessorize over 50 can really look outdated and old, and forget the old-fashioned jewel pieces that look more grandma than modern, such as the pearl necklace. Of course, I love pearl necklaces, and they are definitely part of a quite luxury trend when it comes to accessories and jewels. But over 50, you know, a regular, classic, traditional pearl necklace can really make you look a grandma. So you have to accessorize with a quite luxury trend, but in a more modern and minimalist way. Find statement jewelry that look modern with a contemporary twist. Statement jewels, you know, gold or even gems are very trendy this season. Look for something that definitely has something more edgy and more modern. So you can really add, you know, statement pieces in your outfit and break also the formal look of the quite luxury trend. And the 10th secret of dressing quite luxury over 50 is all about a simple hair and makeup. Simple but yet sophisticated. This is really the mantra of the quite luxury trend over 50. Forget the garçon tease haircut with a lot of volume. They look so outdated. Short tease hair are out, but welcome the mid-length or long haircut. Dye or not, you know, you can also leave your natural color. Polished but simple. The makeup also looks very fresh, impeccable makeup and skincare routine. Forget the heavy foundation, the contouring or the tan, you know, the fake tan. Over 50, it looks very outdated. Always go for something that emphasizes your natural beauty and avoid something that looks overdone. The no makeup look is also the key of a quite luxury trend over 50, and probably also your best asset. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to dress quite luxury over 50. Let me know what you think about this video below the comments. If you have any question about the quite luxury trend, don't forget to ask. This is a new background today because I am in Greece. I am currently on holidays in Greece. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to know all my outfits, all the things I am wearing here in Greece. Hope you enjoyed this video for you over 50. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me to grow this channel. Thank you so much, and I see you very soon for another one. Bye.